In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the journal entry process in QuickBooks. This step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to efficiently manage your financial records and understand each component of making a journal entry. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head on over to the QuickBooks homepage. Once there, you're ready to start the process. Navigate through the dashboard until you see the option for Journal Entry. This section is your gateway to recording financial transactions that are otherwise not captured by the standard sales or expense forms. Next, click on Journal Date. This step is crucial because ensuring the correct date helps maintain the accuracy and relevance of your financial records. Enter the date that corresponds to when the transaction took place to keep everything properly aligned in your accounts. Following that, focus on the Journal Number field. Clicking here will allow you to input or edit a unique identifier for each journal entry. This number acts like a fingerprint for your transactions, allowing for easy identification and tracking when reviewing or auditing your accounts later on. Now, direct your attention to the Account field. Here, you'll select the accounts affected by your transaction. It's vital to choose the correct accounts to maintain your financial statement's integrity. This ensures your balance sheet and income statement reflect accurate numbers. Once the accounts have been selected, move to the Debeats section. Remember, in double entry accounting, every debit entry should have a corresponding credit entry. Be deliberate with the debit amounts to uphold the balance of your financial records. Then, shift your focus to Credits. Enter the credit amounts that offset your debits. Keeping your debits and credits balanced is key to accurate accounting, so double-check these figures to prevent any discrepancies. Next, provide some context by clicking on Description. Adding a description helps clarify the purpose of the transaction, making it easier to recall the nature of the entry in future reviews. Clear and concise descriptions can save you time and confusion down the road. Now, let's add some personal details by clicking on Name. This allows you to associate a specific name with your entry, such as a vendor or customer, giving you another reference point for understanding your entries. Afterward, click on Memo to note any additional important details or remarks related to the transaction. These memos often serve as helpful reminders or explanations and can provide valuable insights during audits. Don't forget to utilize the Attachments feature. This option allows you to upload any supporting documents, like invoices or receipts, which corroborates your journal entries and enhances compliance with accounting standards. Finally, once everything looks perfect and you're confident that all the information is correct, click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your journal entry in QuickBooks. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you familiarize yourself with this process, the more efficient you'll become at handling your financial records. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!